Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchase decisions without sweating the small stuff. Today, we're throwing two drones into the ring for an aerial showdown. On the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS-175D, and on the right corner, the DRONEEYE F10. Let's get ready to rumble-y. First up, let's talk about the most important factor for many of us: price. The Holy Stone HS-175D is priced at a whopping $229. Now, for that kind of money, you could buy a decent smartphone or, a small island in the middle of nowhere. On the other hand, the DRONEEYE F10 comes in at a budget-friendly $79. Yep, you heard it right. For that price, you could get 3 F10s and still have enough left over for a fancy coffee. So if you're balling on a budget, the F10 is already looking pretty sweet. All right, let's dive into the cameras. The Holy Stone boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera. That's right, 4K. You could probably film the next blockbuster movie with this thing. Meanwhile, the DRONEEYE F10 offers a 1080p FPV camera. Now that's not bad at all, but compared to 4K, it's like comparing a Picasso to a doodle on a napkin. So if you want to capture every pimple and pore in your selfies, the Holy Stone is your go-to. Next, let's talk about flight experience. The Holy Stone HS-175D gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's practically enough time to fly to Mordor and back. Plus, it's got features like altitude hold, optical flow, and one-key takeoff/landing. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The DRONEEYE F10, on the other hand, is like the fun, quirky cousin who shows up at family reunions. It can do 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even follow a custom flight path. It's got altitude hold too, but let's be real, it's not going to win any endurance awards. Now, on to design and portability. The Holy Stone HS-175D comes with a carrying case and a foldable design. It's under 250 grams, so you won't need to register it with the FAA. It's like the James Bond of drones. Cool, sleek, and ready for action. The DRONEEYE F10 is also foldable and super portable. It's like the drone you can take to a party without worrying about it getting too drunk and crashing into the snack table. Finally, let's talk about those extra features. The Holy Stone can follow you around like a loyal puppy and even take photos when you strike a pose. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. The DRONEEYE F10, though, is like the tech geek who knows all the cool tricks. It's got voice control, gravity sensor control, and even VR support. So if you want to feel like you're in Ready Player One, the F10's got you covered. When it comes to customer reviews, the Holy Stone HS-175D shines for its ease of use, picture quality, and stability, making it highly recommended for beginners. On the flip side, the DRONEEYE F10 is praised for its affordability, battery life, and fun features, although some users have experienced issues with camera quality and connectivity. All right, folks, it's decision time. If you're looking for high-end features and have a bit more cash to splash, the Holy Stone HS-175D is your sky-high dream come true. But if you're budget-conscious and want a drone that's fun, easy to control, and packed with cool features, the DRONEEYE F10 is your new best friend. That's all for today's drone duel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.